Ever feel like you're juggling flaming chainsaws while trying to run a business? You're dealing with scheduling, invoicing, customer communication, and wait, did you remember to order those supplies? And in the middle of all that chaos, you hear someone say, just use a CRM. But then you ask yourself, does that even apply to my business? And more specifically, if you're in the service industry, you might be wondering, is Jobber a CRM? That's the question we're tackling today. Not just a simple yes or no, but a deep dive into what Jobber is, what a CRM is, and how they intersect. Because let's be honest, throwing around acronyms like CRM without understanding them is like trying to fix a leaky faucet with a banana. It might seem like a good idea at the time, but it's not going to solve the problem. So let's rewind a bit. You're a service professional. Maybe you're a plumber, landscaper, cleaner, or electrician. You're out in the field, getting your hands dirty, providing valuable services. You're not sitting behind a desk crunching numbers all day. You need a system that's as mobile and adaptable as you are. Now, you've probably heard about CRMs or customer relationship management systems. These are tools designed to help businesses manage interactions with customers and potential customers. Think of it as a central hub for all your customer data, communication, and interactions. Ideally, it streamlines your workflow, helps you build stronger relationships, and ultimately, boosts your bottom line. But here's the kicker. CRMs come in all shapes and sizes. Some are complex, enterprise-level behemoths with features you'll never use. Others are simpler, more specialized tools designed for specific industries. The question is, where does Jobber fit in? Let's break down what Jobber actually does. Jobber is designed specifically for home service businesses. It's a platform that combines scheduling, invoicing, quoting, and client management into one streamlined system. You can create quotes on the go, schedule jobs with a few taps, send invoices directly from your phone, and track payments. It's all about making your life easier and helping you run your business more efficiently. So, is that a CRM? Well, yes and no. It's a bit of a hybrid. Jobber definitely has CRM functionalities. It stores customer data, tracks interactions, and helps you manage your relationships. But it's not a traditional standalone CRM in the sense of a platform like Salesforce or HubSpot. Think of it this way, Jobber is a specialized tool built for the service industry, and it includes many CRM features. It's a CRM built into a comprehensive field service management platform. It's designed to handle the specific needs of service professionals, not just general customer management. Let's look at some specific examples. Jobber allows you to store customer information. You can keep track of customer contact details, addresses, job history, and notes, all in one place. This is a fundamental CRM function. Track customer interactions. You can see when you sent quotes, invoices, and reminders, and even track communication within the platform. This helps you maintain a clear record of your interactions. Manage client communication. Jobber provides tools for sending emails and text messages directly from the platform, keeping communication organized and efficient. Schedule and track jobs. While primarily a scheduling feature, this also ties into CRM by allowing you to track customer requests and job progress, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction. Generate reports. Jobber offers reporting features that allow you to analyze customer data, track sales, and identify trends. This is a key aspect of using CRM data to improve your business. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some might argue that Jobber lacks the advanced features of a dedicated CRM, like detailed marketing automation or in-depth sales pipeline management. And that's true. Jobber is not designed to be a full-fledged marketing platform. It's focused on operational efficiency and customer management within the context of service delivery. But here's the thing. For many service businesses, those advanced CRM features are overkill. You don't need complex sales funnels or intricate marketing campaigns. You need a system that helps you get the job done, get paid, and keep your customers happy. And that's exactly what Jobber does. Furthermore, consider the integration aspect. Jobber integrates with other tools you might already be using, like QuickBooks Online or MailChimp. This allows you to extend its functionality and connect it with other parts of your business. So, if you need more advanced marketing capabilities, You can integrate Jobber with a dedicated marketing platform. Let's talk about the benefits of using a system like Jobber, which incorporates CRM features specifically for service professionals. Increased efficiency. By centralizing your data and automating tasks, you can save time and reduce errors. Improved customer communication. You can stay in touch with your customers more effectively, providing timely updates and responding to inquiries promptly. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By providing a seamless and professional experience, you can build stronger relationships and increase customer loyalty. Better organization. You can keep track of all your customer data and job information in one place, reducing the risk of lost information or missed appointments. Streamlined invoicing and payments. You can get paid faster and more efficiently, improving your cash flow. Mobile accessibility. You can access your data and manage your business from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. Now let's address the flip side. What are the limitations of using a platform like Jobber as your primary CRM? Limited marketing automation. If you need advanced marketing automation features, you might need to integrate Jobber with a dedicated marketing platform. Less customization. Compared to some enterprise-level CRMs, Jobber might offer less customization options. Not ideal for complex sales pipelines. If your business involves complex sales pipelines or long sales cycles, you might need a more specialized CRM. However, for the vast majority of service businesses, these limitations are not deal breakers. The benefits of using a platform like Jobber far outweigh the drawbacks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.